Dinner in 15, this spicy, savory Mapo Tofu hits hard and is faster than takeout. I'll show you how to get the silky tofu and bold punchy sauce using pantry basics and a few Asian staples you can find in most supermarkets. No fuss, just real flavor. Let's start cooking. Here is what you need for this dish. Sichuan peppercorns. Sichuan peppercorns come in red and green color. The green peppercorns are sharper, more citrusy, and gives you that intense numbing feel. The red is woodier, warmer, and give you that classic numbing heat. You can use either or both for this dish. You can buy the powdered form, or you can toast it, pound it, and sieve it yourself. I like to save time and energy, so I bought the powdered form. Also, do not use the whole peppercorn in this dish. I find that biting into that whole peppercorn gives me that unpleasant mouthfeel. We will also need ginger, that's finely minced, garlic, that's finely chopped, ground pork. You may use ground chicken or beef here, spicy broad bean paste or doubanjiang. If you are unable to find doubanjiang, substitute it with 1 tablespoon of gochujang and 1 teaspoon of red miso. It comes pretty close. Water or chicken stock. Silken tofu cut into 1-inch cubes. You can also use the firmer type of tofu here, but it will give you a different texture. Corn flour for cornstarch slurry. You make cornstarch slurry by adding water to the corn flour and stirring it till it all dissolves. Sesame oil. Sugar. Scallions that has been cut and separated into its white and green parts. To cook, put your pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, add in your ginger. Fry the ginger for about 30 seconds to a minute. When it's fragrant, add in your garlic. Give this another 30 seconds. Then, add in the pork. Break up the pork as you fry it. I like to use this meat masher here because it's a lot more efficient than my spatula. Fry the pork till it's no longer pink. Add in the spicy broad bean paste or doubanjiang. You can adjust the amount of doubanjiang and therefore the level of spiciness and saltiness of this dish. Add in the Sichuan peppercorn powder. Sugar. Fry all this for another 30 seconds. When the aroma and fumes hit your face and it goes up your nose, add in the water or chicken stock. Bring all this to a boil and boil it for 2 minutes. I'm going to add in the white parts of the spring onions here as I forgot to do so, but you should add in the white parts of the spring onions together with the garlic. At this point, I want it even hotter, so I'm adding some chili oil into this. After 2 minutes, lower the heat to medium. Then pour in half the cornstarch slurry. Remember, give the cornstarch slurry a good stir, as the corn flour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Pour in only half of the cornstarch slurry. The sauce would have thickened in a couple of seconds. If it's not thick enough, add in the rest of the cornstarch slurry. If you have thickened it too far and it becomes too thick, just thin it out with some water. Gently put in the tofu. Then carefully stir to coat the tofu with all the sauce. Try not to break up the tofu. Taste and adjust for seasoning. This is the point where you can personalize your Mapo Tofu the way you like it. You can add more salt or soy sauce, more doubanjiang or Sichuan peppercorn powder, even more chili oil. Use one or a combination of these. Personalize your Mapo Tofu till the way you like it to be. When you're satisfied with it, bring it back to a boil. Boil it for about 1 to 2 minutes, then turn off the heat. Swirl the sesame oil around the sides of the pan. Then add in the green parts of the green onions. Give this a quick stir and serve. And there you have it. Homemade Mapo Tofu that's ready in just 15 minutes. The kind of quick, satisfying meal that works perfectly for busy weeknights. If you enjoyed this recipe, you'll love my other quick and easy recipes. Check out the videos on the screen right now. They are perfect for anyone who wants to cook great food without spending hours in the kitchen. Thanks for cooking with me, and I'll see you in my next one.